B flat suspended 4 is going to have us barring still the E and the A string in the first fret, and then our second and third finger are going to go in the second fret of the G and the C string. B flat suspended 4 on a baritone ukulele is going to sound like this. We're going to be placing our first finger, barring it across the first fret. We're going to be putting our third finger in the third fret of the G string, and then our fourth finger is going to go in the fourth fret of the B string. Which, if you were around in the 90s, it sounds like the song The Freshman. Some of you were not alive then. Anyway.